Hey loves, thanks for tuning in to CYBTV. This is Cherish, and in this video I'm going to be trying out for the first time and reviewing the nail extension gel or Polygel that's kind of been going around Instagram. It requires a LED or UV lamp and also everything else that comes with the kit, like the nail forms, the gel, the base coat, all of that good stuff. And it's going to be very detailed from top to bottom, so if you want to see how you can get something like this from home, then definitely keep on watching.
Just cherish your beauty. Cherish your beauty. Cherish your beauty.
Alright love, so starting out on freshly washed hands, I am going to prep my nails. So this is considered a dry manicure. First I'm going to start out with clipping my nails pretty short. I don't really want my nails to be long, just so I won't have to worry about the nails lifting. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I am using the toenail clippers because I don't know, I just never liked the fingernail small clippers. Now I'm just going to go in with my little cuticle pusher, and I'm using a metal one. If you are diabetic or sensitive, I would recommend doing a wooden. And now I'm just going in with the cuticle trimmer to cut away those dead, dry cuticles that I just pushed down or pushed off my nail surface. Next, I'm going in with the file to buff my nails because I want my nails to be nice and gritty so the nails can stick better. You can also use like an electric filer, like something I'm showing in the lower right corner. This is like lightweight. It's not one of the metal ones, so it's easy to use. I actually use both methods, but I really like using the file better. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm just going to use some pure acetone. That way I can really get all the oil off my nail. Alrighty, so now it's time to reveal what's exactly in this kit. So this is the nail extension gel kit that I got from Amazon. I will have the links and everything in the description box. But as you guys can see, this kit is going to have everything that I need. So it comes with the nail tips or the forms, the file, and it also comes with the instruction booklet. So it lays out everything that you need to know. And then also it comes with a handy dandy tool. And it comes with the brush side. And then it also comes with the gel picker-upper side. I don't know what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. The gel picker-upper side, okay? And then also, as you guys can see, it comes with 6 different gels. It comes with like clear, transparent, and like pinks. And then also the base coat and the top it off coat. So I'm going to go ahead and use the natural pink. That way I can keep it simple, classy, and I'm just going to take everything else that I'm going to be using, you guys, from this kit. And I'm going to start out with matching these nail forms to my natural nails. I'm going to put the ones that I don't need back, and yeah, so I just laid it out like that. And now this is the 70% alcohol that is recommended to use. I'm pulling that into the little dapping dish. And they say this is good to use for moving the gel around. And then I prepared my LED light. And to start out with, we're going to go ahead and lay a thin layer of base coat on the nails. If you want to see exactly how to polish correctly, you guys can check out my pedicure video. I lay out all the cosmetology tips and tricks. So after I put the base coat on my nails, I'm putting it into the LED UV lamp, and this is recommended for 120 seconds, you guys. It does have a 30-second setting and also a 60-second setting, but just to be sure, I'm going to do it for 120 seconds. And now I'm going to go ahead and start opening up this gel. This is this part where it starts. All right, so I got the gel ready, I got the little alcohol ready, and now I'm going to get this little brush or the tool ready. I'm going to use this side first. I'm going to squeeze some gel onto that. You guys remember, this is my very first time trying it out, so yeah. I'm just following the instructions and learning as I go. So now I'm going to dip that into the alcohol and then use the brush side to begin to just move the gel around to cover up the area that I want. These forms actually come with the length lines, so I'm going to use the longest length. Yeah, because I like my nails kind of long. So I think I got that laid out on the gel form. Now I'm going to clean this up with a little bit of the alcohol. And now I'm just going to, put this on my nail. So I'm pressing it on there because I don't want to have bubbles, and that's just what I figured. The more it's pressed on there properly, you won't have the bubbles. And now I'm just going to take the little bit of alcohol with the brush and clean around the cuticle because I don't want no messy cuticles, girl. Nope. No messy cuticles. And now I'm just making sure I don't have any bubbles or anything weird going on underneath the nail. And like I said, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and bake it for 120 seconds. This is a LED UV lamp in one, but I just want to be sure. So this is the moment of truth. It's time to see if this really works. So I'm going to pop this off, pop this gel or this nail form off. And there you have it. My first nail. And I like because the gel didn't leave the residue on the gel, on the nail form. So as you can see, it is a little thin in areas. It's not all even. It's not thick. And I like my nails thick just so they won't break easily. So I figured I'm going to have to go back in and add some gel and just build up my nail to the thickness and, shape it a little bit better. Because we don't want no thin, flimsy nails, right? Okay, so once I'm done, just filling it and making it look good, I'm going to go ahead and pop it underneath the lamp. And yeah, so when that's done, you guys, I'm just going to wipe it off a little bit with a little bit of the alcohol, or you can use the gel cleanser or acetone. And now I'm just going to file it up and really, really shape it. And I like my nails to be more of like a ballerina shape, so narrow on the sides and then a little flat on top. I don't know, some people call it coffin nails. I don't got time to be calling it coffin nails, ain't no death over here. But yeah, so I really like how it looks. So I'm gonna go in with this little file. It's a lightweight file, it's nothing heavy duty. My heavy duty one broke, but yeah. So I got this one that hubby picked up for me. I'm just going to make it a little smoother, clean it off. And then I'm going to go ahead and top it off. So I just did one, you guys, because I really wanted to get the feel of it. I didn't want to do them all at once. But yeah, I learned a lot after doing the first one. Trust me. So I'm just putting the top coat on, and then you already know what time it is. So yeah. It's looking good. I went on and finished the rest. Like I said, I learned a lot after doing this hand. So I'm moving into the second hand, and I figured instead of doing one by one pretty much, I'm just going to risk it and just do them all. Like, I'm going to lay the gel in all of the forms, because what I've realized, you guys, the gel does not move. So as long as you're molding it, it's not going to slide, it's not going to harden or anything like that, like acrylics. So that's one thing I really, really like about doing the nails with this. It's easy, you don't have to really feel like, you're having anxiety because you don't want the stuff to dry up on you. So that's why I'm doing it like this. And also, you don't have to clean off the tool because the tool's not going to get all sticky and dry and mess up your brush. Which also means you don't really have to use the gel picker upper side. I just stuck to using the brush side. And you don't have to use double forms. You can just use one set of forms for all 10 fingers. What else did I learn? Oh, I figured if you're going to want thick nails, just put as much gel as you want onto the form, because you can always just use the excess to put it onto the other form without keep dipping into the gel. And now I'm just going on and pressing all of them on. And I'm just making sure I'm not having bubbles. And I am kind of working quick on this part because I do notice if you're going to use forms that aren't exactly, because I have to go a little smaller. My hands are, wide. My little nail beds are wide. So I'm just cleaning it off right now, but you want to kind of work fast so the nail forms won't pop up. So I put it under the light for 2 minutes. As you can see, I pressed it twice. And now I'm just going to pop them off, you guys. And yes, I just love this process. Just popping it off and the satisfaction that the nails are there. It's a good feeling. So I did try to, make them a little thicker this time, but I'm still going to have to go in just to make them, look like the other hand. And I'm just going to go in and just fill all the nails up and thicken them and, do what I gotta do. But I feel like doing it like that, doing all 5 first with the gel and putting them all on your fingers and then putting them under the lamp, it's quicker, because the first hand I was like doing one by one by one. I was like, ooh, girl, you need to speed it up. So yeah. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put that oil around my cuticles. And voila, you guys, it's finished. I absolutely love this new nail kit thing. I love it. It's my new thing. No more acrylic for me, but I'm satisfied with them. If you guys like this video, definitely thumbs this video up and subscribe and share, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.